Here we go. CNC group break number 1345. 2-book draft with redemptions in the game Superlative V3. So we've got in book 10 to start. Alright. We start with a game used jersey silver short print, numbered 6 of 6. Guy Lafleur. We've got an auto silver, numbered 1 of 20. Alex Ovechkin. We've got a prospect auto gold, numbered 1 of 10. Alex Galchenyuk. We've got a 2-color patch silver, numbered 1 of 19. Matt Sundin. We've got an auto and jersey silver, numbered 1 of 20. Brett Hull. Oh, I think we were supposed to have this book yesterday. Numbered 1 of 1. 3-color, raised to the rafters, jersey gold, Ray Bourque. 1 of 1, Ray Bourque, raised to the rafters, gold. And we've got a past, present, and future triple jersey silver, numbered 1 of 9, Robert Meyer, Carey Price, Patrick Waugh. Yeah, that's a decent start. Alright, and on to book number 9. Alright, we've got a game-used jersey silver short print, numbered 4 of 6, Roy Waters. We've got an auto silver, the other version, numbered to 20, Alex Ovechkin. We've got a prospect auto jersey silver, numbered 21 of 30, Alex Galchenyuk. We've got a 3-color superlative patch silver, numbered 1 of 19, Mario Lemieux. We've got an auto and jersey silver, numbered 1 of 30, Bobby Hull. We got a raise to the rafters, jersey silver, numbered 7 of 9, Keith Tkachuk. 7 of 9, Keith Tkachuk. And we've got an auto thread, number 2 of 9, Bobby Bond. Bob Bond, auto thread, 2 of 9. And now for the redemptions. By the way, guys, you picked up nothing but quad jerseys. So first quad jersey, number 1 of 9, Jonathan Quick, Carey Price, Roberto Luongo, Henrik Lundqvist. We've got a quad jersey, number 9 of 9, Ed Belfour, Curtis Joseph, Felix Potvin, Grant Fuhr. We've got a quad jersey, number 9 of 9, Mario Lemieux, Steve Yzerman, Roberto Luongo, Joe Sakic. And we've got a quad jersey gold, 1 of 1, Felix Potvin, Matt Sundin, Patrick Waugh, Brian Bellows. Quad 1 of 1, Potvin, Sundin, Waugh, Bellows. Nice. Alright, so there you go. Draft order coming up.